Now, our Jessie was a housewife proud. She kept her kitchen braw, and all the modern gear of life was stacked along the wall. And sitting on the worktop was the pride and joy of Jess, an oven of proportions, a microwave no less. Oh, now this wee computer was a labour-saving dream. It could save the toughest meat without the stress of steam. Its dashboard through the dial did everything but sing. In fact, you would be a mighty fit to work the bloody thing. Came the day of Robbie's birthday, where Jessie played her card. We'll hear a burning supper to celebrate the bard. So she gathered all her family and gave them all a chore, then grabbed her hat and handbag and rushed out through the door. Down to the local butcher's shop with fast and furious gait, and purchased herself a haggis that would have graced a royal plate. Scampering back to her Robbie kitchen, all systems now at go. But, alas, for Jessie begins our tale of woe. While the soup was simmering, Jessie committed a crime. She stuffed the haggis in the microwave to save herself some time. While they were suffering their coffee leafy and savouring the country tag, from the precincts in the kitchen came an almighty bang. They all sat there dumbfounded. Then all rose up as one and hurried to the kitchen to see what damage had been done. Well, there was haggis on the ceiling, haggis on the floor, and haggis on the door. The oven door was open, hanging on a hinge, and what had been Jessie's pride and joy now made Jessie flinch. While we all were staring, the computer began to tick, and out from the top came a wee white flag tied to a wee white stick. The computer had surrendered and collapsed in a smoking heap, and the pride of Jessie's life was reduced now to a feat. Well, our Jessie's learned her lesson new for that eventful day, that the best laid schemes in mice and women often gone away, as whiskey blends with water and malt is taken neat, when microwave and haggis never the twain should meet.